Rocket the gray fox. Gray foxes are the forest fox of the eastern United States. Climbing trees is a unique ability that allows them to escape from predators, forage for food, and gain access to dens. Unlike the red fox, their semi-retractable claws allow them to leap like cats from tree to tree, and their dens are often found up to 30 feet off the ground. Rocket was born on April 2013. Orphaned at only 4 months, he was raised by an animal rehabilitator. He was eventually donated to the Texas Zoo, where he served as an education program animal. In 2015, he was donated to the WNC Nature Center. Rather than sharing a habitat with our other gray foxes, Remy and Hunter, Rocket enjoys sharing his home with Toby, our red fox.
Thank you.